It's not just people who need a break. An aircraft engine earns time off too. After 5 years hard work, it is sent to a shop for a little R&R and returns to the sky as soon as possible. But when any engine gets to a certain age, repairs take longer and questions get asked. What if the aircraft is due to retire next year? Is it back to the shop or time for a swap? Swapping is speedy and saves money. First, browse our exchange engines. We offer different engines with different lifespans. You choose an engine from our range. We review the engine you offer to swap. A net exchange price is agreed. The swap is made. One engine provides parts for repair. The other puts your plane in the air.